What's up, everybody? DJ Ron the Mechanic here, back with another video, y'all. So, this video here is pretty much on a little, what I call basic maintenance for your car. So, this Nissan right here, this is my daughter's car, so she had to go take it to the Nissan place for get a recall done on the brake switch. So, as you know, when you take it to the dealerships now, you know, they maintenance crew go give you a whole repair estimate about longer than your car. You know, I guess just to give you a super high price or whatever was needed. So here's the repair estimate right here from Nissan, what they gave my daughter. So check this out. Okay, for the brake job, they said she needed her front pads replaced and resurfaced her rotors, right? So the pads was at 2 millimeters. So look, this is what they want to charge for the brakes: $266.82. The brake pads I put on this car here, lifetime warranty from AutoZone, didn't cost me nothing. So that's a negative on that there. So no $266.82 coming out my pocket. Next thing, look at this here, cabin air filter, $77.95 just to replace the cabin air filter. Look, I priced it. The air filter only costs $12.99 at AutoZone, and here it is right here. I already bought it. And for us taking it out is not that difficult. It's like depending on your cars, whatever. I know every vehicle probably be a little different, but hers is right up underneath the glove box, right back up in there, right where that empty spot at. That's where her air filter goes. So you mean to tell me just to pop off a little cover and pull that out is $77? You might well see round out $78 just to pull out that? You gotta be kidding me. It only took me 10 minutes, less than, really and truly say less than 10 minutes to pull it out. $78? You gotta be kidding me. Here's another one. The engine air filter replacement is only $17.99 at AutoZone for to pop that off. Shit, look at them, $40.26. I'm like, wow, are you kidding me? Hey, look, that's why I try and tell y'all, hey, it's best to learn to do a lot of stuff yourself. Because as you see, I saved myself a hell of a lot of money going off of what they said what they was gonna charge. That don't make no sense. Ain't nowhere in the world I'm gonna pay $266 for to change the front brake pads when I already bought brake pads for this car like in 2021 and I got a lifetime warranty on them. $266, get out of here. Cabin air filter, $77.95. A doggone 10-minute, less than 10-minute job. That's $78. Yeah, right. Man. And all this other stuff. Now, yeah, she do need 2 tires, whatever. Okay, there ain't no problem. We'll get that done. Throttle body. Now, look, for the throttle body, for them to clean that out, $93.95. No way, buddy. I know how to take it off myself. I used to work at a shop. It won't cost me no $93.95. And look at this here. Fuel injector cleaning service. $159.95. Yeah, okay. And then they got transmission flush mileage. They want $357. So pretty much, look, for everything that they had on here, y'all see the prices. This is what they wanted to have a total of. Yeah, okay. Boy, they dreaming real hard. Ain't nowhere in the world. Shit. That's why I stress it's best to learn how to do stuff yourself. And for those that don't know, hey, look, y'all definitely need to look at your car manual or either look it up on YouTube and find out where is your cabin air filter in your car. Because if you wonder why your windshields get a little fogged up a lot, or you get funny smells, whatever, because this bad boy here it is dirty. And let me see. I ain't take it out the box yet, but do a little comparison on here just to show y'all the difference. I can't believe these folks. All that money for what? They out their mind. That's why I do my own work. Alright, so here is the new cabin air filter right here. And check this out. Here is the old one. Look at that. Now just think, y'all riding around and wonder why everything be smelling kind of funny in your car. This is why. Just look at this here. Man, that is super filtered. Y'all see all that dirt and all that up in there? And see, all that comes from outside. That's basically what this cabin filter for to keep all the dirt and stuff from coming inside of the car. Man. And you see, here's the new one. Look at the comparison. Dirty and clean. Big difference, y'all. Hey. I try my best, depending if the weather ain't bad and all that there. See, I like to do little maintenance checks on our cars, what we have. It's best to do that before you ride out. I normally check mine's, my daughter's cars. I normally check them about, I probably say every month, pretty much. Basically, pretty much I like to check the oil, like about every 2 weeks, whatever. So just to make sure everything is pretty good. Check the battery, make sure the battery voltage is pretty good on it. Start it up, see if the alternator putting out. So I like to keep that little maintenance routine going. Because if you plan on keeping your car, hey, you got to do that stuff. If not, it's going to cost you a hell of a lot of money. And for those that say like want to check your battery voltage, hey, look, go get you one of these multimeters right here. Hey, I got this here from Harbor Freight. I think I got it on sale. That was some time back for like, I think this one over like, I think $15 or $20, whatever. I like the big display on it. Hey, just to check out my battery voltage or whatever on the cars. Real inexpensive, y'all. Just something simple just to, check your cars out. Even rotate your tires. Now, if you're not comfortable with that, then yeah, okay, I can see you go ahead and pay a shop for to do that. But if you get you a set of stands like this here, see, I have a set of those, and I also have a big floor jack. I do my own tire rotation. Pretty much simple. Just jack up one part of the car. Put your jack stands underneath there. Then go jack up the other side. Boom. That way you can go ahead and rotate your tires. And also, see, me, I don't use the full wave lug anymore. See, I use this right here. Got my impact. Hey, I can take them lugs off real quick. Ain't no more of that jumping down on no full wave. This right here, no problem, bud. I'll knock it out. So yeah, that is pretty much it, y'all. Like I said, if y'all plan on keeping your cars, do your own maintenance on that. Check your oil, check your battery, check your tire pressure, do all that stuff. You'll be surprised. That little stuff right there will help you out in the long run, especially if you're a traveler that travels a lot on the highways and all that there. You don't want to get stuck on them roads with a blown tire, whatever, something, or your low pressure light come on. You out in the middle of nowhere. You don't have nothing to help y'all. You got to sit on the road and wait for little service people to come. hey, get the stuff yourself. Have it already as a precaution. Matter of fact, where is it? Hey, even get you one of these right here. Charge it up, keep it in your trunk. You can boost your car off if you need a little boost off. It even has an air pump on it. You know what I'm saying? Just get you one of those. And like I said, keep it in your trunk. So that way you don't have to worry about have to drive in 300 miles, whatever, so just to find an air pump to put air in your tire when you already got that right there. Need a boost off, no problem. You got that. You know, it's the small stuff that can save you a long way. So trust me, believe, do that. So yeah, I'm about to go ahead and finish putting her new cabin filter in. That'll be it, y'all, because you can see it's got a little dark outside. So yeah, I just had to do this little video for y'all on some quick maintenance tips, you know, for your cars. Like I said, hey, look, this here will go a long way, y'all, a long way. Keeping you safe, especially, like I said, if you're a traveler, you're on that road a lot. You need those little things, you know. And another thing too, I'm pretty sure you ain't nowhere in the world you go carry a big jack like this around in your car. Get you one of those little small hydraulic jacks. Keep in your car, little 2.5 ton, whatever, little small jack. Put that in your trunk. That's a whole lot better than that factory scissor lift thing, which could somehow, let's say, bend back or fall. You know what I'm saying? You don't want that. You want to be careful. Get you something that'll get your tire, get your car real quick. Get that little hydraulic jack. Boom, boom, boom. Pump it up. Hey. And come with, if you can, get you one of these impacts. Get you one of these right here. Charge the battery up on it. Hey, keep it in the trunk. So that way, look, you better get your lugs off faster. You better jack your car up faster. No problem. You ain't got to sit on those side and wait for the AAA or whoever to come get you. Now, it depends now. As long as you know, you make sure that you're in a safe spot for to do that, you know. But yeah, though, y'all, like I said, I had to come at y'all with this video here on little maintenance tips, man. Especially, I'm telling you, after seeing this, whew, man, this little estimate they talking about, man, they out their mind. Ain't nowhere in the world. I'm sorry. Now, for a person that's not good with using tools and don't know how to do nothing, that's what you will end up paying out of your pocket. Not me. That's why I say it's good to learn how to take care of your own stuff. That'll save you a whole lot of money. My neighbor dog, he barking at something. But yeah. All right, y'all. This DJ Ron the Mechanic here. Look, make sure y'all like, comment, share, and subscribe. Appreciate all my new subs and all my old subs. Hey, look, y'all. We on that road to 1K. Let's get it. Let's get it, y'all. Hey, look, 2023. Hey, look, we looking to head up, y'all. New heights, y'all. We got some, some fantastic shows that could be coming up later on this year. I'm talking, it's gonna be nice, y'all. So y'all be on the lookout for that. Make sure y'all turn y'all notification bell on for sure. Cause like I said, I'm gonna have some nice car shows that I will be attending this year and go bring y'all some good footage on those rides. So, hey, until then, on to the next video. Y'all know how I do it. Hey, on to the next job, y'all. I am out. Have a good one.